Hey, yo, what up, famous?
I'm over here.
Big up me G's them. Big up me G's them.
It's all about famous.
FamousSosick. Hey, Sean, that's me representing for Famous.
Big Nang Ravens represent for FamousSosick. Big up yourself, yo.
Come back and watch a vlog right now.
Yeah, my people, check them out now. And the maddest people, them. Mad, yes.
So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, right about now, it's a new night, so it's a new vlog, and we have version in the place. Yo, what I do a cool, man. Bundle up, man, dress for cold. What I do a cool, man, yo. So, right now, we there, I'm about to do a tattoo, and you know, me can't do no tattoo if I know version tattoo. You never have the name in the last short film. Yeah. Version in name though. Version. The man name version and name version in short film. So yeah, me telling you so now go see all it more from version, all it more from all that I mean this version in a place and you can't see him right now because the man put up be a pretty light up in here and be something. You know what I mean? We're about to go to the shop. Someone already familiar with the shop because we shoot a video, we shoot a short film in there already. You know what I mean? Wholly pound in no version. Wholly pound in no version. Because version do my first tattoo. Version do Travis first tattoo. In do Sanka first tattoo. You do Pine and you do Pine tattoo. You do Gallus in Paris tattoo. Version do almost everybody tattoo in the Bronx. You know what I mean? Those are just a few influencers me have someday. If you're not influencer and want a tattoo get done, yo, just link me, trust you, not go get the famous price. You not get my price, you know what I mean? You not get the famous price, you not get a nice price. So remember, if you're not there in the Bronx, if you're not there any, you still travel? You're not traveling?
Yeah, I travel, but not the tattoo.
Alright, so what we are gonna do is if you're there, if you can reach to the Bronx, once you can reach to the Bronx, then you're good, right? Definitely. Then you're good, definitely. So me there now. We are both figure tattoo time. You me look like a. We need to go get a haircut.
When it comes to cooking, it's all about the right seasoning to get the perfect taste. FamousSosick is proud to bring to you his new Antony's Famous All-Purpose Seasoning. You'll need nothing more to achieve that perfect taste every single time. Coming soon.
Alright, you see this version do the one here. This is the first tattoo me ever do. Version do the one here. This is the second one me do. Version do the one here. Version me trust. Me have 3 tattoos. And version the whole thread. Yo, me feel like I want to take off this, but me head. Ruggy right now. Right now me look like a countryman, could I? Yo, look at my beard there. Beard on yourself. Version, you that tattoo a woman name for you?
Yeah.
You that tattoo a woman name for you?
Yeah, of course. And cover it up. You that tattoo a woman name for you?
That me I go do. Can you do so?
Okay.
So that me I go do.
Never know. I should want my name.
Yo, me go clickbait, you know. Me go name the video. Some clickbait about right now. I must around 2 o'clock in the morning. And I just reaching Black version, blessings and respect, and big up yourself. I just go close off the flag right there, so you know what I mean? This is just a dedication to my mother this year and make 10 years since she passed away, so you know what I mean? Long time I didn't want to get this on black version, blessings and respect again for bring this to life. So I close off the flag here, so mad move, blessings and respect.
Well, on then, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have full case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's, blessings and respect. Hope it came up.